Welcome back to the Punch video time, and in this video I am going to be showing you how you can make a QR code in Python. So let's get started. So did you know that for QR code in Python there's a literal library called QRcode? Yeah, you can just use that to create a QR code. That's amazing, right? Okay. So what you have to do is QR is equal to QRcode dot capital QR small code. So actually, sorry, the C is also cap, so then code. So QR code, and then after that the version of it. So I'm just going to be putting version is equal to 1, then error underscore correction is equal to, so error correction is equal to QR code dot constant, so constants like that, constants dot error, oh my god, error correct, then underscore capital L. Okay, the next thing, wait a second, let me just put a space over here. There we go. Okay, now the next thing is we want to add the box size. So you know the boundaries of the QR code, this line of code will put in the size for it. So I'm thinking around 20 should be good. Then after that, the last thing is the border. So border is equal to 2. And there we go. That means the thickness of each line, or the border thickness, and that. Then QR dot add data. Now this is the data you add. So you can put in any link, but for me I'm just going to be putting in https / let's just put in www.youtube.com. There we go. So you can just put in YouTube. Then after that, qr.make. So we are now going to make the QR code, and I'm going to be putting it fit is equal to true. And now obviously we need to add an image to the QR code. We need to give it an image. So img, short form for image, is equal to qr.make underscore image, and I'm going to be putting fill underscore color is equal to black. And then after that, our back underscore color is equal to white. So obviously, like the main lines would be our the lines on the QR code will be for our fill color, and our back color would be the color of our background, which I'm putting it to white. Now img.save. So now we are going to give it the name of the image. I'm going to be putting it to simple QR code generator. So simple QR code generator, and if we run this, we should be having a simple QR code generator there. And now I found out the error. I have to add .png, obviously, or PNG. You can add a JPG, anything, but I'm doing it to a PNG. So now, here we go. Now here you can see that we have a QR code, and if you open up your mobile, swipe, and if you just show your QR code scanner app this main QR code, what would happen is that it will go to youtube.com. Now this is good, but if you want me to make a video of how you can scan QR codes in Python, please like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next video where I will make how to scan a QR code. Thank you and bye bye.